for the moms out there, actually, for the first-time moms, this is really the way to go. Learn to know yung things that your kids will enjoy. Start with coloring, ganyan, diba? Start with the simplest activities that you can give them. And mas maganda talaga that you just don't buy toys just like that. No, try to imagine yourself being in their shoes, no? Na parang kasi ako honestly mas na-enjoy ko talaga kapag nandiyan yung may kalaro ka, mas fun, tapos mas nagiging engaging kasi your toys is educational, learning toys, 'di ba? And I think the best part of being a parent na mabibigay kong tips sa inyo, once lang magiging bata yan. You know, yung age nila, it doesn't really go back and stuff, diba? So, I think mas dapat mas ma-enjoy din natin as parents yung mga toys na binibili natin sa kanila. No, it mas fun kapag ka sa Ogalala ka talaga bumili, and I'm sure that the toys that you will buy there will leave great memories. It's not the amount of toys or money that you give them. It's the amount of time. Because with kids, time is equivalent to love. So, if you give them time of choosing the right toys that they should have, the right things that they should have, mas maganda yun eh. Mas nabubuo yung magandang relationship ng mom and kid or ng parents and kids, and you're giving them a good quality of love and time if you give them the best. And I think the best ang toy for me kapag nabibigyan kayo ng fun at nabibigyan din ng learning yung kids. So, one best tip, enjoy being a mom. Enjoy buying toys, di ba? Ako, I really do enjoy. As in, I can last days of, being in the Ogalala store, scouting for, ay, ito, hindi pa namin to na-try. It really excites me. And I think yun yung medyo kulang nowadays. Yung nakakalimutan natin na we can have fun too. So, I think you can embrace also being a mom, /kalaro, di ba? / pwede pa rin na maging educator, di ba? So, yun. I think mas maganda kung ma-enjoy natin lahat yun all together. And trust the brand that gives you the safest, the great value for money. Learning, yun yung pinaka-importante sa akin. And I'm so happy and blessed. Super grateful ako. Happy heart ako na if people will ask me, I can always recommend the best. So, thank you, Ogalala, for making us happy.